standing outside of one of the largest outlet malls in Asia. Also in one of the cheapest shopping cities on planet Earth right now. Let's see what kind of steals we can find. This is the Hyundai Premium Gimpo Outlet Mall, located about 30 minutes from the airport and 20 minutes from Hyundai. It has a staggering 230 plus stores, and unlike most other outlet malls, this isn't just budget brands here. There's designer brands like Gucci and Prada, plenty of different Korean brands, of course the usuals like Nike and Adidas, and even a few haymakers, which I've never seen before. Oh, this place looks super nice. This might be one of the best looking outlet malls I have ever been to. We got like the local watering hole around here where people are just playing in the water. Or at least the kids are. Look, we got dog parking inside the outlet mall. So I assume, what is this? You put some water in a bowl and then you park them up there, leash, water in the bowl. They love their pets here, I think. Whoa, it's like dog paradise here. So everybody brings their dogs to go walking. All right, well, you know what? This place is so massive, it's kind of hard to know where to start, really. And we also took like a 40-minute Uber to get here, so hopefully this is worth it. Now the goal for today is simple. It's to simply find the best pickup at an outlet mall I have ever found. And considering how cheap things are here in Korea, my chances are pretty good. See, because the Korean won is at one of its weakest points in history, your money when you travel here just simply buys more when you're visiting. Combine this with Korea's aggressive discount culture and the tax refund, the deals can get pretty crazy. And trust me, this one's going to have one of the wildest outlet shopping pickups I've ever made. I just like the material. Finding the discounts is going to be damn near impossible. Maybe that's it. It's now 47,000 instead of 80, so like 50% off. Damn, it's like 20 bucks for a t-shirt here then. There's like a bunch of different brands in here. Ooh, a nice cap could do me right. Ooh, these look like they could be pretty sick. I ain't gonna lie, Korean sizing is so confusing. Alright, nothing here. Kodak, you probably think sells cameras. Not in Korea. Kodak is a clothing store. Damn. That's pretty sick. They make shoes, clothes, sell cameras. One of the more fascinating stores to come across was Kodak. You probably remember it as the camera company. However, they actually went bankrupt in 2012. And in 2019, a Korean brand came in and licensed the name and turned it into a streetwear brand and clothing line. It absolutely exploded in popularity and now has over 120 stores across Korea. Before, I think, yesterday, I probably wouldn't have gone into an Umbro store, but for some reason, Umbro is fire here in Korea. Like, I honestly didn't even know that Umbro made shoes. It doesn't feel that great, but I mean, they make shoes. How sick is that? Bro, I'm gonna try that on. What size though? Size 95. Yeah, see if there's like an internet conversion 105. So this is the smallest size that they have. Interestingly, Umbro has a very similar story to Kodak. What most of us remember as an old British football brand now is owned by an American licensing company, Iconics, who licenses out the Umbro name country by country. So here in Korea, it's completely different to anywhere else, with products that you just won't find anywhere outside of Korea. It's held by Descente or Descante, and it's a massively popular streetwear brand here. Like, is this a unique to Korea type thing where Umbro is just hopping off? Look at that. How sick is that? Get it, Umbro? Maybe I've been living under a rock. Alright, surely we gotta find something in here. Holy hell. Is this the largest Adidas store I've ever been to? Is that like 25 bucks? Crazy. Oh, it's like a Seoul colorway. Adistar cushion Seoul. They've only got tiny sizes though. I think it might be a girl one. Hey, look, it's like an exclusive. That's such a nice color. Oh, we're at the back wall now. And if you need any running shoes, Adios Pros for $150, I think. What is that? What even? That's a wild pair. Yeah. And some Y3s. They feel pretty awful. Yeah, we got a neon green Adios, but Adios Pro for $150. Plus, how much off? That's the price?
25% discount.
On that?
Yeah.
Okay. So just over $100 for these. That's pretty insane. Holy shit, that's very insane. Do I want a Volt green pair though? The 7. This is the only 8 though. If they had a white pair. I need this color, not the green ones. But that's only a 6. Damn, that's close. It's a 7. I won't fit that though. For $100 for those is insane. It's like a 3-4. It's like a 250, 300 pound pair of shoes. Same as these. I probably cop these Y3s. Nah, I wouldn't wear them. I might cop the Mary Janes though. Nah. Arukus. That doesn't feel like the regular swirl film. That's so sticky. Oh my. Please have my size. No.
What are they?
They got a 9. Bruh, 80,000, that's $40.
What are they? Aren't they like for
Fuck, that's the black one.
You've got an 8 there.
Ooh, they got an 8.5. Yeah, but that's the carbon pair. I want the sesame one. Bruh, I'm buying these for sure. Yeah, like 40-ish bucks.
Yeah, it's like 45.
These are like 200 and something pounds. Should I just make sure I can fit that? Yeah, that's a big dub. Fear of Gods. This color you can't find. You can find those on sale, the carbons, but not these. We've got these, 98. That's like what, 50-ish pounds? These, which I don't know what they are. It's the clay colorway, it's like the tannish pair. And we got extra butter rivalry lows, 60% off. That's a real nice colorway. This one is the Offspring collab. That's a UK retailer. Made it all the way out here. Oh damn. They look pretty cool. We are in the running shoe section. See what they got around here. Yeah, a little Ultra Boost action for what, $70? I think if they had like some, they got, what is that, the Q Star. I'm really looking for the Addy Star if they had that. Any discount Evos? Because that would be pretty legendary. Damn, look at this. We got OG Ultra Boost for, what is that, $60? Ultra Boost 1.0s. These things are like ultra rare now. God, for old time's sake, I feel like I should cop a pair. That's a throwback. Ultra Boost. Now we on Hyper Boost now. I'll be so shocked if there's no Evo SLs in here. Oh boy, we got the AE2s. The nice colorway as well. AE2 for 100,000, about $50. Yeah, when I say bucks, I really do mean pounds, because that's the only conversion I've learned so far. Ain't no way that was the price. Damn! 30 pounds. That's like lunch.
That is literally lunch.
That's insane. That might be the greatest steal ever on a sneaker shopping episode. I really don't want to go, but we can go to Olive Young. Alright. So sick of you dragging me to this damn store all the time. Damn, they got a self-checkout.
Say it's Elliot every single time.
Yeah, well, that's gonna get cut. How they expect you to carry this around? Where's the damn push cart when you need one, huh? That's what we need. We need a pair of 1080s or something. Damn, they got B grades over here. All right, let's start with running and then we'll go to lifestyle. What are these? I don't even know what model that is. I don't know if that's like exclusive to here or something, but that feels really comfy. Whoa, what is that? Baloff? Whoa, that feels so soft. They look like they've already been through a marathon though. Fresh foam with like a retro upper. I don't think I've seen that before. Oh, US. I think this is around my size. More V5. I just don't like that midsole design. I prefer the new one so much more. That is nice. 94,000. I don't know if it's like 50% off. Nothing crazy. Let's go look down the other side. That's a pretty clean colorway. 509. More 1000s. Endless wall of 2002. Oh, now we're talking some this wasn't this color, I probably would buy those. These 1000s I think are kind of slept on. They're so clean. I bet those would be comfy. I'd try a pair on, you know, see what that shoe is all about, because I know Action Bronson did a collaboration on it. And look at these. Arguably one of the best colors on the 9060. All the 9060s here. You got the triple black, got the black Castle Rock. They feel way worse than I thought. They're narrow, so it kind of defeats the purpose of them being some kind of barefoot shoe. There feels like there's more cushion at the front than the back. Front of your foot is lifted, and I don't like how flimsy this is. It's like major heel slip. All right, we finally found a Nike. Oh, and it sounds like it's rammed, like all Nikes are. Holy, this is a huge one. The one fascinating stat that I found out about Korea, everywhere Nike is declining, right? Stock price down, sales are down in different countries. In Korea, it's up. Everyone loves it here. Korea's saving Nike. Right, we have switched to incognito mode. I think I got about 3 minutes on here. See what we got. Some Astro Grab. These are pretty clean, you know? Pretty clean, but you've pretty much got every color. 80,000, that's like maybe 40. People are looking at me crazy. Oh, damn. Those are sick. Let me do the size conversion. And we got Kobe's. Oh no. We got the Mocha Lows. Right, the only reason I'm not speaking is because people are looking at me like I'm crazy. But look, we found Pegasus. Yeah, $245. Extra 50% off. So help me work out what that is. And I'm gonna hit Dylan up and see if he wants a pair. Damn, made it to the top so you can see how massive this place is and how cool looking it is. Damn, what the hell model is that? 408. These are like all the budget models from like Nike and Adidas. But I mean, you get some bangers in here, like the Pacer, banger. Find a cool SPW, banger. Oh, and the Journey Run, that's a banger. All right, that is a wrap on the Hyundai Premium Outlets. Highly recommend, actually. It was I think probably the best outlet I've been to in terms of just like the place itself, the shops that they have available. Obviously at a Nike, really big Nike, big Adidas. Yeah, obviously got an insane steal at the Adidas outlet, but I did end up leaving those Pegasus Premiums behind, even though it was a good colorway and an insane price. Like, I've never seen a Pegasus Premium for that price. Pretty insane. But either way, it's getting late. It's already 7. So we're gonna head back. Right, I'm back at the hotel room with Young Ning. And I wanna play a little game, buddy, all right? Because I think...
They're full of games.
I think this was probably one of the most crazy shopping trips. So down here, just let my little camera scroll down. Right, down here I have some of my pickups, and I just want you to guess the price of some of these things because it's insane.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, let's start with this one. Okay, so one thing you probably don't know. Yeah, listen. Something you probably don't know about Korea is Umbro is insanely lit.
Really?
No cap.
Are they still just a sports brand or expanded their horizons?
Kind of, yeah, but I wish you saw some of the stuff that they had there. So we got this.
Whoa.
Little, I don't know what you would call it.
That is fire. And it's got the cinch.
Yes, you like cinch it up and it's just like a nice little lightweight when you need it. It's so
That's
many
incredible.
Cool things.
This is outlet?
So how much do you think I paid for this?
50?
What are you guessing in? GBP?
Pounds, yeah.
20. 20 bucks. All right, so that's the Umbro pickup. Okay, so this one, keep in mind, I also need to get an extra 10% off.
So everything is another 10% off.
No, some of it I got instant.
Okay.
That one I think I do have to do at the airport. But you know Fear of God?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know Fear of God. Okay, so at the Adidas outlet, they had a Fear of God pair of shoes.
But usually they're whack. Fear of God shoes.
I don't know if I'd say that.
Ah.
Like desert boots, kinda. Keep in mind, retail for these in pounds, I believe is $220.
I mean, it's pretty nice quality. I don't mind these. Yeah, they do look a lot like desert boots.
They're fire when they're on, trust me. How much you think I paid for these? Retail, $220. Obviously, they're sold out.
120, 50% off. Is that it?
33 pounds for these.
You're joking, for a pair of boots.
And I get an extra 10% off at the airport.
But that's realistic. It's basically free. They're giving this away for free.
It's like a prepper's meal.
Wow, that's shocking. Oh my gosh. And Fear of God is supposed to be a mega, like, you know, luxury brand, no?
Yeah.
Whoa, I wonder if they
Probably the
know.
best outlet steal I've got.
Maybe ever.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Whoa, I wonder if they know.
Probably the best outlet steal I've got.
Maybe ever.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Next up on the Asia tour. Today we are at Dongmyeon Flea Market. We're gonna do a little challenge.
Come on, let's go.
We got 100K each. 30-minute timer starting now. Oh, look at this.
Okay, 10 minutes has passed and I am absolutely scrambling.
Oh my god. How much is this one? 75. And the caps? The camo?
Camo 85.
Okay. God damn it, it's a budget.
Nah, Elliot, this is ridiculous. We need a time extension. We have to have a time extension.